Imagine a city where you can have breakfast in Europe and dinner in Asia. A place where every street whispers stories that are over 2,000 years old, and every corner feels like stepping into a completely different world. This is Istanbul. And trust me, this is not just another travel destination. It's a city that stays with you long after you've left. Today, I'm taking you deep inside Istanbul, beyond the usual tourist spots, to uncover the hidden beauty, the untold stories, and the experiences most people never see. But here's the thing. By the end of this video, you won't just want to visit Istanbul. You'll feel like you have to. So if you're into cinematic travel journeys that actually mean something, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, because this journey is going to be unforgettable. Istanbul is the only city in the world that exists on two continents at once. On one side, Asia, on the other, Europe, and between them flows the legendary Bosphorus Strait. But this isn't just about geography. This is where civilizations collided, where empires rose and fell, and where cultures blended into something truly unique. Here, you don't just see history, you feel it. And if there's one place that captures the soul of this city, it's Hagia Sophia, a masterpiece that has stood for over 1,500 years. It has been a church, a mosque, a museum, and then a mosque again. One building, but layers of history stacked on top of each other. When you step inside, it doesn't just look ancient, it feels timeless. Now imagine walking into a place where getting lost is part of the experience. Welcome to the Grand Bazaar, one of the oldest and largest markets on Earth, with more than 4,000 shops, gold that sparkles under warm lights, handmade carpets that tell stories, fragrances you've never smelled before, and antiques that carry centuries of history. Every shop here has a story, and every interaction feels alive. Even bargaining here is not just shopping, it's an experience. Now let's slow things down for a moment, because this is where Istanbul becomes truly magical. A Bosphorus cruise at sunset. Europe on one side, Asia on the other, and you floating right between them. As the sun dips below the horizon and the city lights begin to glow, Istanbul transforms into something that doesn't feel real anymore. It feels like a movie. But here's what most people don't realize. The real Istanbul isn't just in the famous landmarks. It's hidden in the narrow streets, in small cafes where locals sip tea for hours, in the aroma of freshly baked simit, in the laughter, the music, the everyday life. This is where the city truly breathes. And once you see this side of Istanbul, you'll never look at it the same way again. Then night falls, and the city changes completely. Mosques light up against the dark sky. Street performers fill the air with music. Food stalls come alive, and a cool breeze flows through the city. Istanbul doesn't sleep. It wakes up in a different way. Because Istanbul is not just a place you visit, it's a feeling you experience, a journey that stays with you and quietly changes something inside you. And maybe that's why everyone who comes here always finds a reason to come back. So if this journey made you feel something, if it made you want to explore more of the world, then go ahead, like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and tell me, when are you planning your trip to Istanbul? And don't forget to subscribe, because the next journey is going to be even more incredible.